Looking at the 2521, that's Milwaukee's 5 3/8 inch brand new circular saw. So you get cordless power with this based on the M12 system, and you can handle dimensional lumber. 1.5 inch is no problem, but I really like this lightweight when I'm cutting sheet goods. First and foremost, this thing is really lightweight. It comes in about 4 pounds 13 ounces bare tool, but even with this M12 battery, it still only weighs just over 5 pounds 12 ounces. So that's the main feature I noticed right off the bat. It's just so compact and lightweight. It really feels good in the hand. I love these rubber overmolded grips that Milwaukee is known for now, and they've actually solved the dust collection issue with this 1.5 inch fitting, so you're not going to be breathing as much sawdust in the shop. And other cool features that have been added here: an LED light and an internal blower that actually clears the cut line of sawdust so you can actually see what you're doing. There's a built-in blade wrench, which is an Allen wrench style, and a nice retractable belt hook. So I tell you what, if I'm going to be doing any work on a ladder or on a roof, this is the one I'm going to reach for. You can have that on your tool belt and not even know it's there because it's so lightweight, or just fold it out of the way when you don't need it. The upper blade guard and shoe of the tool are magnesium, which Milwaukee is really known for, and the lower spring-loaded blade guide is plastic to keep things lightweight. The bevel range on that is 0 to 50 degrees, and I tell you what, the locking knob on that looks more like my track saw than anything else, so that's a nice modern design. The dust collection fitting kind of snaps in place here and then is retained permanently with a single screw, and I was really excited to see it's a nice friction fit with my dust extractor hose. Mine came as a kit with the saw, a nice contractor bag, and this charger, but if you've already got this combination charger for your M18 batteries and happen to have an M12 battery, you might be able to get by with a tool-only version. The thumb buttons alongside the trigger are really easy to operate, either right or left-handed. And I tell you what, this brushless motor is a perfect application for a circular saw because it spins down so quickly. So sometimes it's the little things on a new saw, like the dust collection, that's actually been figured out, and the fact that when you return that to a 90-degree cut, it actually is verifiable. You check it with a high-quality square, and it does lock it dead on at 90 degrees, and that can be a big frustration if you don't have that simple feature. So I really like using this saw. There have been very few frustrations with it, if any, and it's solved a lot of common problems with my past circular saws. So if you're in the market for a small and lightweight cordless circular saw, I think this Milwaukee 2521 is really worth a look. I love some of the new features like the LED light and that blower that actually clears your line of sight on the cut line. So really smart features, and this has become the one that I reach for when I'm just making some quick cuts on sheet goods in the shop.